Hello everyone!
Hello everyone!
We are from the KIGIS Business Unit. My name is Tim from Product Planning.
And my name is Lisset from Marketing.
If you are not familiar with KIGIS products, don't worry. Today, we'll explain everything to you.
Tim, recently there have been many accidents in warehouses around the world, especially involving industrial vehicles and workers or pedestrians. Do you know how KIGIS can help us to prevent those accidents?
That's a great question. At KIGIS, we provide a safety assistance system designed to improve workplace safety. Let me introduce our UWB-based solution, Intelligent Proximity Alert System, IPAS SE. IPAS SE utilizes UWB technology to precisely measure the distance between vehicle tags and pedestrian tags. Our intelligence proximity alert system measures the exact distance between tags and vehicles. It sends real-time warnings to both workers and drivers.
Our system identifies two safety zones around the vehicle, the caution zone and the danger zone.
The yellow area is the caution zone. When a worker enters this area, the driver receives an alert. The red area is the danger zone. The driver can hear louder warning alerts.
That sounds very useful. Could you tell us what types of tags are available in IPAS SE?
Of course. Let's introduce our 5 key tags. We have the pedestrian tag. This tag is carried by the worker. It provides sound and vibration alerts when a vehicle is detected. Second, we have vehicle tags. Vehicle tag uses a two-way ranging technology to measure the distance between vehicles and other tags. The PT and the VT are the core of the IPAS SE tag system.
Third, we have our Indicator Plus. This device provides alerts through the touchscreen and it controls the device installed in the vehicle cabin.
The flashlight zone tag is installed in blind spots to provide audio and visual alerts. This ensures that even workers without a tag can receive alerts.
And last but not least, we have our zone tag. It receives approach signal from the vehicle tag and it is installed in areas where alerts are not required, such as rest areas.
As you can see, IPAS SE is designed to support workplace safety. In many situations, drivers must manage multiple tasks at the same time. It also helps by providing awareness in areas that are difficult to monitor continuously.
With this review of our tag system, you can understand how proximity alert can be applied in real work environments to reduce risk and save your workers' life.
In our next video, we'll take a closer look at how these systems can be adapted to different work scenarios.
Stay safe!